Hello everyone, in front of me is NOKIA G60 and let me show you how to activate developer panel. At first you have to enroll the list of all apps and open settings. Scroll all the way down and click on About Phone. Here you need to find build number, which is right here, and tap on it 7 times. Then provide your unlock pattern if you have one, and as you can see, from now on you're a developer, so developer options are unlocked. So reach system now, go to developer options, and here you can smoothly manage everything you need. Then whenever you would like to switch developer panel off, just unmark the stop switcher, and if you go back you will notice that it disappeared. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.